A rectangular room measures 12 feet by 15 feet. Calculate the area of the room in square feet. So square feet means they want me to find area. So we have 15 feet by 12 feet, and this is a rectangle, so area equals length times width. Area equals 15 times 12. I'm using a calculator, but please ask your instructor about that if he or she wants you to do these by hand. 180 square feet is your final answer. Number 2. A cylindrical duct has a diameter of 8 inches. Diameter, be very, very careful. Diameter is 8 inches. So radius would be 4 inches. And a length of 20 feet. 20 feet. 20 feet. There's a problem. Feet and inches. We got to deal with that. So before we decide if we convert everything to feet or inches, let's read the rest of the problem. Calculate the volume of the duct in cubic feet. Round your answer to the nearest whole cubic foot. So we need everything in terms of feet. My formula, volume equals pi r squared h. Volume equals pi times the radius squared times the height. The height is 20. 4 inches, that's 4 over 12 because we want to convert that to feet. 4/12 of a foot, 20 is the height. You could also use 1/3. 4/12 reduces to 1/3. So that would be fine as well. I'm going to leave it as 4/12 because I'm going to use my calculator. So pi, I don't need a calculator to do this part. 4 times 4 is 16. And 12 times 12 is 144. So I can do the squaring in my head, and then I'll get my calculator out because we've got pi. So 3.14 times 16 fraction 144, and I hit it wrong, sorry, 16 fraction 144 times 20 equals 6.97 repeating, and it's said to round to the nearest whole foot. So volume is approximately 7 cubic feet. These problems can turn difficult very quickly. If you compare 1 and 2, they're quite a bit different in difficulty. So you have to read very carefully to know what you're looking for. All right, number 3. A building has 3 rooms with areas of 200 square feet, 150 square feet, and 250 square feet. Calculate the total area of the building. So we have the largest room is 250 square feet. The medium room is 200 square feet. And the smallest room is 150 square feet. And you need to check your units. Make sure they match. And they do. So all we have to do is find the total. This is one of those that seems like I'm missing something. It's got to be harder than this. But it doesn't. If that's what they're asking you for, that's all you have to do. So we have 2, 4, 5, 600 square feet. An HVAC technician needs to install insulation in a triangular attic with a base of 10 feet and a height of 8 feet. Calculate the area of the attic. So we have a half of the base times the height. So I have a half of 10 times that 8. Half of 10 is 5. And 5 times 8 is 40 square feet. You can use your calculator if you need it, as far as I'm concerned. A rectangular duct measures 2 feet by 3 feet by 10 feet. So 10 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet. Calculate the volume of the duct in cubic feet. So everything's in feet. We know volume for a rectangular prism is length, width, height. So 10 by 2 by 3 is going to be 50. No, sorry, 60. That's where I get in trouble. I'm doing it in my head and I'm missing it left and right. I cannot do math in my head, and I know that. Don't take the chance.